Welcome to this first aid course. We will discuss how to perform basic life support, as well as various first aid procedures. This course is presented by Safe Train Consulting. Section 1. Emergency Scene Management. First aid is the aid that is given to an injured or sick patient on the scene, before more advanced help arrives. The first aider must make use of his own personal knowledge and logic, as well as his or her ability to improvise. People require first aid because of accidents, illness, and chemical contamination that leads to a loss of working hours and income. The total of injuries can be drastically reduced if everyone works in a safe manner and does not take chances, as well as if everyone makes sure he or she is skilled in first aid. Industrial accidents usually happen far away from medical facilities. Most injuries are minor, but even a minor injury can become infected if the workplace is dirty and therefore lead to death. The immediate covering of these injuries will decrease this possibility. The careless handling or transportation of an injured person can cause more damage to the injury and cause more pain and suffering. First aid can fall into two main categories, namely, treatment in a life-threatening situation awaiting medical help. Treatment for minor injuries. There is a variety of first aid equipment available, and there are specific procedures to follow when dealing with people who are injured in the workplace. The purpose of this chapter is to describe and explain the different equipment to support the first aider, in line with specific procedures he or she must follow to comply with policies and legislation requirements. It is important to treat injuries, whether minor or serious, immediately, and where the accident occurred, through applying first aid methods. First aid can save limbs and lives. First aid training is readily available and only takes a little of your time. This course will teach you the correct way to render first aid to an injured person.
I'm now going to demonstrate to you how to put your gloves on and how to remove them. First of all, put our gloves nicely on. Don't touch the inside. Also, there our gloves are on. Now to remove them safely, pinch the one glove in the middle of the palm of the hand and remove him safely. Place it nicely in the other glove. Put your one finger underneath and you can throw them away. If you want to be very nice, you can tie it off. And discard into your little waistband.